This is month 10 on my mommy channel. It is January of 2024. So let's jump right into the analytics. Okay, like I've been saying, I don't want to pay too much attention to this front page. It is a mixture of shorts and longs. So let's jump over here. Content altogether published. I did 5 shorts and 4 longs. Now, this is a month where I cut back on longs. I only did 4 videos. This was kind of the point where I hit burnout. Now, in a few months, I pick it back up and I get back up to like 8 or 9 per month. But this was where I just like hit a moment of like, okay, I need to do maybe better quality, better editing, better topics. I felt the need to slow down. Let's see how it affected my channel. So like I like to do, let's just go to the videos first. Okay, while we're in videos, let's go ahead and click see more. This is the page I like to be at now. Real quick on videos, let's just see what my watch time was specifically for videos. So it's 33.6. I believe my overall watch time was 37, which is really actually exciting and pretty good for me. This is some of the best watch time I've had since July of the previous year. It's been a bit of a rut lately, and this is a little bit of a bounce back. So we are thankful for that. So a little bit under 1,000 views, impressions, click-through rate 3.2. I'm not mad about that. An average view duration of 2 minutes. It depends on the length of the video. Let's see if we can grab that percentage viewed, because that tailors to the video. So about a quarter of the video. I'm not mad about that. Obviously you want that to be way higher, but I'm struggling. So I'll take what I can get. And to me, that's not terrible. Now going into my actual content. Let's start with this first video, 10 items and areas to declutter. Early January. I was trying to like hit it at the right time. We got good views on that overall, good impressions, of course, again, not my control. Click-through rate of 3.9, so that was good. And average view duration of 214. And on a 8.5 minute video, that's about your 25%. Oh, let's go ahead and add average percent viewed because I enjoyed that. And let's go ahead and add those watch time hours. Okay, so the watch time hours in this video were crazy good for me. I haven't had that many watch time hours in a month lately. Okay, let's just look through a couple more here. So this next one, 8 practical tips to save money. That is this green one here that's blipping up. It had decent watch time because, let's see, we got a third of the way through that video with those views. Click-through rate was decent, just under 3, and good duration. So people were watching it, maybe because it was 8 practical tips, like those numbered tips might have helped people stay with it longer. When to start wearing maternity clothes. That video, I don't know what I did right. I don't know, because that video has stuck around. And like, our 24 views, amazing. No, but yeah, this one, 6 months old now. And so I did something right there. I really need to I don't know, study that one. I don't know if just the fact it's so dang short, being under 3 minutes, people are encouraged to stick through it. I mean, the average percentage viewed, it's above 50%. It's better than anything else I have. That click-through rate, 7.4% is killer. So I don't know what my secret sauce was there, but it did well. So we got this blue blip. That's that first video. Green blip. That is that second. And yeah, those are the videos. Let's go to shorts. I don't have anything else to say here right now. So let's jump over into shorts. Okay, we got a blip here and a blip here. Still not the best. Let's go ahead and see more. And average percent, and we'll do watch time. For shorts, we got 3.4 on the watch time. Doesn't really count. Average percentage viewed, 66%. Okay, for shorts, I mean, ideally you get 100% on shorts. Views, shown in feed, likes, shares, 3 subscribers from shorts. This again is why I'm doing shorts. If I didn't mention it before, I believe I gained 9 subscribers overall for this month. Let's go ahead and see the actual content. They're short, so it's not the most exciting. However, this blue one, this first one here is, should we be feeding our children pouches, like fruit pouches? It got my best views, almost 200 views. It got 7 likes, and it got my 3 subscribers. I really need to make that into a long. I haven't done that yet, but anyway, for shorts, that's pretty terrible, even though for me it might have been a little bit good. On shorts, I mean, if you're not getting 1,000 views, it's like, I don't know, what's the point? You know, so anywho, that is that. If you are curious about how people are finding me, we got browse feature, 60%, shorts feed, 22%, suggested, 6%, YouTube search 5, channel pages 2, and other 3.2. Interesting here, viewers across formats. So about 50% are watching both. Interesting. Here are my views from video versus short. I'm really glad to see a lot more video views. That's a good thing. And then here as well, new viewers coming in for long form. That's very exciting. I don't want just new people coming via shorts. It's not what I'm after. And then I did get 6 subscribers from long. So that's super good as well. I think that's all I've got for you guys today. We're going to keep this one short. I hope to see you back here for month 11. That will be February of 2024.